Welcome students, welcome to your maths class. Okay, so today's class we will start with another place value system, that is your international place value system, because we have already discussed one system, that is our Indian place value system. This is one of the another place value system, that is international place value system. Let me say why this is international place value system, because most of the countries in the world, most of the countries are following this system. So we are also going to discuss about this place value system. Do you remember Indian place value system? We have already discussed. In this system we have divided a number into 4 different groups, and after that we have to put comma, then we have to read and write the numbers. So let me tell you in this system how we are going to write a number. See, on the board I have written some place values. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is 100,000. This is million. This is 10 million. This is 100 million. I have written all these place values in short form. Okay. So these are the place values. Okay, let me take some example. 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 8, 9, 6, 5. Okay, I have written one large number. I am writing here this number 56982473 1. First we will discuss in this system, then we will discuss how to compare in between this Indian as well as international place value system. Okay, so I have written this number here. So in previous class we have already discussed, always start from the right side of the number, means the ones place. Okay, here also as it is same thing, we will start from ones place. This place is ones, this place is tens, this place is 100. So as it is like your Indian system, in this system also first 3 digits are coming under one group, that is ones group. In Indian system also we have taken ones, tens, 100, 3 places or 3 digits in first group, that is your ones group. Okay, then come to this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is 100,000. So these 3 digits are coming under 1000 group, related to 1000 group. So the name is also 1000 group. Okay, then comes to million, 10 million, 100 million. This is million, 10 million, 100 million. These 3 digits are coming your million group. Okay, so how many groups we are getting? First 3 ones group, second 3 places 1000 group, third 3 places million group. So in Indian place value system we have divided into 4 groups, but here we have divided into 3 groups. Okay, so this place, these 3 places or 3 digits are first group, second 3 digits second group, third 3 digits they are third group or million group. So everywhere we are finding 3, 3, 3, means 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digits. Okay, so in Indian system we are dividing 2, 2, 2, 3. Here 3, 3, 3. Okay, this 3 1 in Indian system, that is your ones group. Here also ones group. This one, these 2 places 1000 group. Here 3 places 1000 group. Here these 2 places lakh group, and these 2 places crore group. But here only million group. So what difference you are finding here? We are finding that in international place value system there is no lakhs and crore. Only they will count millions. Okay. So in these two places only we will find similar up to which place? Up to 10,000 place. As it is once tens, 100,000, 10,000, then here we are getting 100,000, but in Indian group we will change into lakh. Okay. So I am showing one example. First in international system 10253869 okay. So this is one number I have taken as example in international place value system. Then in this system how we will read this number? Okay, this is a large number, yes. So how to read or how to write this number? Let me tell you. So according to group, first three places it's coming under one group, then we will separate this group by putting comma. Okay, before these three places you have to put one comma. That means these three places or this group we have separated. Then comes to 1000 group, 1000, 100,000, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. These three are coming under 1000 group. So we have separated these three by putting another comma. Okay. Then these three places are coming million group. This is million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. So place value here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So we have separated in three groups. This is first group, this is this is first group, this is second group, this is third group. So how to read now? We can read now 102 million. Okay, because when we are reading this number, we have to read it combinedly according to group. Okay, so 102 million, 538,000, then 697. This is your ones group. Okay, so group wise you will read and you will write also in group wise. You will write 102,538,697. This is your international place value system. Okay, the same number, this same number we will write in Indian system. Okay, so how to write in Indian system we have already discussed. So we have to divide in four groups. First three one is ones group, then second two 1000 group, then third two lakh group, then last two group is crore group. Okay, so here Indian system and here international system. The digits are same, the number is same, but how we are saying this number or how we are writing this number. Here 102,538,697, but here what you will read? 10 crore 25 lakh 38,697. So what similarities you are finding? This group in both the cases, the first group in both the cases are same. Yes or no? This ones group is same in Indian system as well as your international system. Then here 1000, lakh and crore, but here 1000 and million. This is the difference between these two place value system. Okay. Suppose I am writing here 1 lakh. How many zeros? 5 zeros? Yes. So where to put comma? First 3 digits, leave the place and give the comma. Then second 2 digits, then put the comma. Okay. Then again we are writing 1 lakh. Okay. So how to put comma in international system? So 1, 2, 3, comma, then 1, 2, 3, second group. So this one is 1 lakh in Indian system, but here this is 1 100,000. Okay, both the values are same. Yes, both the values are same, and we are telling in Indian system it's 1 lakh and in international system it's 100,000. Okay. I will show one more example, then we will close this class. 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 6, 1. Here 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 6, 1. So here Indian system like this and international system like this. So what to read this one? This is 23,48,961, and this one, this is ones place, sorry, this is ones group, this is thousand group, this is million group. So in million group only 2 is present, so it is 2,348,000, and this is your, as it is 961. Okay, so you watch this video and know about these two systems.